Jiahua machine, JH-CNC-800 automatic aluminum milling CNC machine, equipped with 3-sided servo flipping system for flexible positioning and optimal processing angles. QR code scanning system that generates processing orders and automatically loads tasks. Intelligent operating system for ease of use and enhanced productivity. Automatic positioning system for precise and accurate milling. Automatic clamping system for stable and secure material holding. Automatic anti-splash system for a cleaner and safer working environment. High-end drilling and milling head for fast and efficient milling with excellent results. 3-axis CNC system enabling automatic high-speed and high-precision hole milling. Perfect for flat drilling and milling of various aluminum profiles. Choose Jiahua machine, choose expertise and reliability.